Welcome to our comprehensive guide to off-grid solar power systems. Are you tired of worrying about escalating utility costs or sudden power outages? Today, we will walk you through the essentials knowledge you need to capitalize on the sun's endless, reliable and free energy. This is an exciting journey towards energy independence and sustainability, so let's get started. To fully harness solar power, it's important to understand how it works. The sun releases tiny packets of energy called photons. These photons travel 93 million miles to Earth in about 8.5 minutes. Each hour, enough photons reach our planet to satisfy global energy needs for an entire year. Solar panel systems convert these photons into electricity that can power our homes. Today we'll focus on off-grid solar power systems, which provide power directly to your home without relying on the electrical grid. An off-grid solar system has four main components: the solar panels, charge controller, battery bank, and an inverter. The solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it into direct current, DC, electricity. The charge controller regulates the amount of electricity that goes to the battery bank. The batteries store this electricity for later use. When you need to use the power, the inverter converts the DC electricity stored in the batteries into alternating current, AC, electricity that your appliances can use. By opting for an off-grid solar power system, you give yourself the freedom of energy independence. You're no longer at the mercy of utility companies or the grid, which is susceptible to blackouts. Plus, you're making a green choice that reduces your carbon footprint and helps combat global warming. Off-grid literally means being off the electrical grid, fully self-reliant for your energy needs.